Since the establishment in 2007, IUV has been driven by printing technology innovation. From pioneering printing machinery control systems to UV curing technology innovation. With unremitting efforts, we launched China's first digital power UV curing system and developed a high-performance LED UV curing system. In cooperation with global famous brands, we will continuously strive to meet evolving market demands, leveraging innovation to industrial advancement. Upholding to the core values of customer centricity and striver-based, IUV gathered industry elites to integrate practical operation with creative innovation. Forged ahead in the ever-changing printing industry in past decades, we are committed to providing excellent UV curing solutions to our clients and explore new chapters in printing technological together. With spirit of pursuing perfection and striving for excellence, IUV keep investing in research and innovation to lead the fields of UV curing, digital power supply, intelligent control systems, and LED UV curing technology. IUV adopt intelligent processes and high-precision technology in producing. We carefully refine every detail with exquisite techniques to create sustainable superiority for our customers. Excellent quality begins with the pursuit of details. A trustworthy brand comes from the persistence of quality. We integrate the 6S management system into every detail of production process, beginning with the selection and inspection of raw materials, to the production operating and the system testing. We strictly control every detail to ensure consistent quality in order to repay every customer who relies on us. Guided by the corporate spirit of integrity, innovation, efficiency, and unity, we are providing customers with the safest and most reliable products. Every user's trust comes from our strict quality control and continuous innovation pursuit. IUV is advancing towards the goal of efficient delivery and 100% user satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is our eternal pursuit. We are committed to enhancing our service and delivering outstanding experiences to our customers. We promise to create value for customers and dedicate ourselves to serving every partner professionally and efficiently. At IUV, we provide comprehensive UV curing solutions with our efficient UV curing system and end-to-end strategic. Our UV curing solutions, built with foresight and innovation, can improve your printing production with efficiency and elevate your printing businesses to new heights. With excellent curing performance and continuous innovation, IUV is leading the trends of UV curing. Our systems are favored by world-class printing equipment brands. We not only provide high-quality UV system, but also first-class services and innovative solutions to meet diverse high-standard printing needs. With series of patented technologies, IUV had been rated as a Guangdong high-tech enterprise and Guangdong Science and Technology growing giant enterprise. Cooperating with our partners from more than 20 countries, IUV built a worldwide after-sales service system. We will continue our intention of printing innovation and take sustainable development as spirit, continuously innovate UV technology to contribute in the sustainable future of printing industry. Together with IUV, step into world-leading UV technology and innovation, and experience the future of UV curing technology.